Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Selfkey token. After drastic drop, the price line of Selfkey has completed another bullish reversal harmonic setup on the weekly time frame chart. And before this, I shared this idea for my members at the Patreon in June 2020 when the price line completed the final leg after a very big drop. And this was in fact a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move on the 2-day chart. This time the formation is on the weekly time frame, and in the month of June it completed this harmonic move on the 2-day. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved even beyond this buying zone, and while trading these patterns we set our stop losses here below the X leg or equal to X leg. And you can see that the price line moved down here and reversed back, hit the sell zone, and still moving here. And while the price line is moving here, it has completed another bigger bullish reversal pattern on the weekly time frame, and this time it is another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. Yesterday I shared this pattern for my members at the Patreon, and I told them that we can expect that after some correction the price line will give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone. And you can see, if I play the chart, when I shared this idea, the price line after visiting the buying zone, it was moving above this potential reversal zone. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see the price line is again moved inside this potential reversal zone. Now here we also have a very strong support, and this will be our key support at $0.0065. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then here the price line is also having very nice support of 100 simple moving average as well. You can see the price line is consolidated above this 100 simple moving average. Right now on this candlestick, the price line is testing this 100 daily simple moving average again. And we also have the formation of a cup and handle, and we can see previously we had this handle of the cup that is still valid, because here the price line moved up, hit the resistance of the cup, moved down again at the support, and again broke out the resistance for a while and tried hard to break out the breakout point of this cup and handle that is at 1.2 cents. Let me place this trend line at the breakout point, and you can see that we have this resistance of the cup or breakout point at 1.2 cents. And recently the price line is rejected in the previous daily candlestick. It is rejected and moved down inside this handle of the cup, and again going to test the support of this cup, and also testing the support of 100 simple moving average as well. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this bottom of the cup up to this breakout point, then we can see that the price line is moving around 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, even between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is exactly, we have our golden pocket here as well. And this is an ideal situation for the cup and handle to reverse back from here. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we can watch some significant and major support and resistance levels. This is our key support at $0.0065. That is in fact the stop loss as well while trading this harmonic Gartley pattern, because you can see that the potential reversal zone of this Gartley is very wide on this weekly time frame. And while trading harmonic pattern, if we have very wide buying zones, and especially it happens when we trade it on the weekly or monthly charts, then we can set the upcoming supports as our stop loss, or if we have some additional simple moving averages or pivot supports as well, then you can set your stop loss at the different levels accordingly. Right now we are having this $0.0065. That is a very strong support here, and you can see previously the price line reversed bullish from here, use this level as a support. Let me show it from here. We can see that the price line, after breaking out this level, moved down and used this level as a support and moved up again. We had another drop here. the price action stopped at this $0.0065, moved up again. Here we have another retest, here we have another retest, and here we have another retest. So we have several retests on the weekly time frame chart, and you can see the price line is not able to break down the support so far. Therefore, it can be our key support, and we also have another additional support above this key support, and that is this 50 simple moving average. This green line is the 50 simple moving average, and this red line is the 100 weekly simple moving averages. These are really very strong support, and right now you can see that the price line is consolidated above this 50 simple moving average, and on the daily time frame we have already seen that the candlesticks are being consolidated above this 100 daily simple moving average. So we have additional support, and unless this support won't be broken down, the price action will not move down to break down this next support, the key support at $0.0065. And at the same time, the price action has also completed this final leg of the bullish Gartley on the weekly time frame and entered the buying zone. Now our next resistance level will be at $1.3. That is slightly above this breakout point of the cup and handle. Now, for example, if the price line will break out this cup and handle, as I'm expecting that we are already in the potential reversal zone of a very big harmonic move, so we can have a powerful reversal from here. The next target, as per the cup and handle, can be here. That is approximately at 1.8 cents, approximately very close to 2 cents. Now, if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels again, these are the major support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame. Then after 1.3 cents, we have the next support resistance at 1.75 cents. So if the price line will hit this target of the cup and handle after breaking out this breakout point of the cup, then it can also hit this resistance of 1.75, and even it can break out this resistance as well. And the next resistance will be at 2.1 cents. Then we have this resistance at 3 cents. Now let's take a look at the sell targets of this big harmonic reversal move. Sorry, not this one. This is the big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And the sell target starts from 1.87 cents and goes to 2.39 cents, very close to 3 cents. That will be our final resistance. And after breaking out this level, the price line can start a very big bullish reversal. So this is a complete trade setup, including stop loss strategy as well, because stop loss is very important. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.